So everybody's kind of comfortable with Social Security and with Medicare. It's like, yeah, I shouldn't have to sell my house to get, to get a stent, or I shouldn't have to deplete my savings before I get my monthly check. In fact, I kind of like saving my Social Security. I don't think I should have to spend it all. Well, you can't do that. See, those are the rules for those programs, and it's like, well, I paid in. Now I'm just getting back. Well, where do you think the money came from Medicaid anyway? Where do you think that came from? You think it's the poor box? Huh? Is that what you think Medicaid is? It's trillions of dollars, right? Hundreds of billions anyway. I don't know exactly how much it is. It's a ridiculous amount of money. Okay. And it is the way, like Social Security is the way we make sure people in America have some sort of income when they get older. All right. Despite pensions and all, they're all gone. Forget about them. People aren't saving enough in their 401ks, and that's a scam itself, but we'll get into that later if you want to. And we need health care. How are we going to pay for the health care? Well, that's Medicare. Okay. Who paid for all this stuff? Taxpayers. And believe me, it wasn't the rich people. There's not enough of them, and they're too clever anyway. All right. And it's not the people at the other end of the spectrum. They don't have anything to take. They're net beneficiaries. Okay. They take more than they pay in. Simple as that. The only people left are you, middle class. Okay. Regular folks, people who work, people who save, people who did the good things. That's who's left. And there may come a day when I apologize for helping middle class people hang on to their life savings. There may come a day, but it ain't going to be today. And tomorrow does not look particularly good either. All right. If you pay in, you should get out. It should be that sort of thing. If you need it, if you don't need it, you don't need it. Fine. Fine with that. Right. If you don't need long-term care, great. Then you don't need it. But if you do need it and you paid into a program that pays for that, the idea that you should pay all over again, it makes no sense to me. Plus, it destroys the legitimacy of the middle class, right? The people who live their life on a credit card, at least their kids got to go on vacation. Your kids didn't get to go on vacation, or like not that kind of vacation, right? You weren't driving new cars. You weren't living in big houses. You made it do, you did without. That's what you did. Okay. And now what you built up, you're supposed to, it's supposed to be like a sandcastle at high tide, right? Oh, it's gone now. What? Why? Okay. If you're working, you save, and you do all the good things, why should you be broke?